Okay, so I've diagnosed this with a bad wheel bearing. You can sort of hear it. I know you're hearing a little bit of brake pads, but as the Car Care Nut suggested, if you haven't ever heard of him, go check out his channel. He does Toyota Lexus's Car Care Nut. Yeah, and I've also got a bad strut tower cover boot. But what he says is to grab here and spin the wheel, which I can't do with the camera in the hand, but you can feel it through the spring and the strut. And I'm certain that what I've got here is a bad wheel bearing. So we'll probably video changing that out. I will probably most likely go ahead and change both, just because they'll both be done at the same time. And that way I'll only have to do one alignment in case the other one goes bad. The other thing I did check was the tires, cupping of the tires, and I didn't see any at all. So that's what we're gonna go with, is a bad wheel bearing.